Students, we have very important short question. Can visible light produce interference fringes? The answer is, what do you mean by visible light? First of all, visible light is an ordinary light. Ordinary light. I mean sunlight. Visible light means it's an ordinary light or sunlight, and it consists of 7 colors. It consists of 7 colors. The answer is yes. Yes, visible light can produce interference fringes. And the other one is, as it consists of 7 colors, each color has its own wavelengths. So therefore, the fringe pattern will be colorful. Will be colorful or colored. So the right answer is yes, and each color has its own wavelength. The fringe pattern will be colored or colorful. Thank you for watching.